Everyone has pain. Some hide it, some run from it. But the strongest? They transform it. Pain doesn't come to break you, it comes to wake you, to show you what matters, to reveal what you're capable of. You've been hurt, you've been let down, you've been through storms, but you're still here. And that means something. It means there's power inside you. Power born from struggle. Strength shaped by fire. You can let pain destroy you, or you can let it define you. Make it your story. Make it your fuel. Every scar you carry tells a story of survival, of rising, of refusing to stay down. Pain has a way of teaching. It teaches who's real, what matters, and what you're truly made of. Use that lesson. Don't numb it, don't bury it. Face it, then rise. You've cried? Good. You felt lost? That's okay. But don't stay there. Don't stay broken. Because pain is not the end. It's the beginning of healing, of growth, of transformation. You're not weak because you're hurting. You're real, you're alive, and you're growing stronger. Every setback you've faced is setting you up for a comeback. Every heartbreak is shaping your resilience. The world may not understand your struggle, but that's fine. Because it's not their journey, it's yours. Take the pain and turn it into purpose. Take the tears and turn them into truth. Let the world see your strength. Not because you never suffered, but because you rose anyway. Again and again. You are more than what hurt you. You are more than what broke you. You are the storm that learned to calm itself. Use your pain to push you, to drive you, to remind you. You're still breathing for a reason. Because pain, it passes. But the strength you gain from it, that stays. So rise, not in spite of the pain, but because of it. This is your power. This is your proof that you are unbreakable, that you are still becoming. Turn your pain into power and show the world who you really are.